I didn't have a plan for Malta, but Malta had planned for me.
Jistqar li l-kċina hija lingwa universali li tqarreb in-nies. Ftit ta' snin ilu, Kamil Wilinski għażel li jgħix Malta wara numru ta' snin jaħdem fis-settur tal-ospitalità fir-Renju Unit. Fuq dawn il-gżejjer huwa meraħ kemm felaħ fid-dinja kulinarja, billi ta' kuljum jipprovdi lis-segwaċi tiegħu li jgħoddu aktar minn 110,000 tuma żgħira tal-arti li toħroġ mill-gċejjen Maltin.
When you think about it, when you arrive to the new country, what would be the better way to discover it? When you have you meet in, I remember the early days, the first restaurant, Maltese cuisine. So I discovered Malta through the eyes. That food connects people, that's for sure. Always evolving, but at the end, that simplicity is the best, Authentic taste, good product, and the people behind it.
Wara 6 snin Malta, Kamil ġabar l-esperjenza tiegħu f'pubblikazzjoni ġdida li għandha lan li tiġħed dawl fuq ir-rabta u d-differenzi fis-settur tal-ospitalità Pollakk fejn twieled u għex u dak Malti.
In Poland, for example, I'm from the small city. So, for example, how you dine, you normally would invite your friends to your home. So then you have to be good communicator, good cook, but normally that's your grandparents or maybe parents, and then everybody sits together. When you're here, it's totally different. You really go outside. So you kind of celebrate life maybe more. So this maybe even allowed me to be even more curious about it.
Il-ktieb jinkludi wkoll esperjenzi mill-vjaġġ twil li għamel is-sena l-oħra f'45 belt Taljana fejn kellu l-opportunità jiltaqa' ma' wħud mill-aktar kokkijiet influenti. Mistoqsi dwar is-settur lokali huwa qal li x-xena kulinarja f'Malta qed tkompli tissaħħaħ permezz ta' ristoranti li qed ikomplu jiżdiedu fil-Michelin Guide. F'dan l-isfond wara l-fehma li fejn nidħol l-ikel, Malta tinsab lesta u għandha l-kredenzjali kollha biex tikkompeti ma' destinazzjonijiet oħrajn infittxija sew mit-turisti.